Okay, I'm right in the middle of Osaka. Let's check it out. I'm kind of hungry, so I want to find some authentic Japanese cuisine here.
We are Chinese.
Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Shishi. I think there's a place here I can eat a lot of different foods. Like street food, that's what I'm looking for. It's more special. Osaka! It's like a back alley. Do you know where's a good place here to like local food?
I don't know. Maybe you can to looking for in Dotonbori.
I like Osaka. Osaka is cool. It's I don't know. It feels a little more chill than Tokyo. Entering the famous Dotonbori. Very nice. Look at that. Check it out. Wow, so many people. It's crazy. Wow. Okay, that looks interesting. Let's try this. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. English a little? A little. What is this?
Takoyaki. So
Takoyaki is this famous of Osaka, no?
Osaka famous.
Okay. I want to try, please. I want one.
One piece.
Thank you. So what's inside of this?
It's octopus.
Octopus. Okay.
And water.
Arigato. Thank you. Very nice. Wow. Check it out. Wow, it's hot. I ate it too fast. I think I burnt my throat. This is really good. It has some, as you can see, it has some kind of fish, like a dried smoked fish on top of it, mayonnaise. I think it's like a fish sauce. Opa. Trying to understand what is this going on here. Everyone has like wigs with different colors. Yeah, I'm not sure. So, do you speak English? 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 Carnival? Everyone different color. It's special day today?
Events.
What?
Cosplay events. Anime
event. Okay, everyone different. Very nice. Arigato. Japan is so different than any other place I've been in the world. It's crazy. Like the culture here is completely different. It's very unique culture. Like animes, cats. They're obsessed with cats. Animes, Pokemon, Nintendo, video games. It's like very unique. What I like it here is that there's like thousands of people, but it feels like super safe. I'm not even worried about my camera. I mean, knock on wood. Alright, 600. Gyoza kudasai.
Okay, thank you.
Arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Very nice. Very good. It's chicken? Pork? Pork. Okay, very nice. Let's see. That's cool. Interesting. Oh, that's nice. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
How much?
これはシューティングゲーム。
Shooting game.
500.
5 shots and you can win food? What can you win?
あそこ7 shots.
7 shots? Okay, so you shoot and you can win whatever the over here? Okay, I'll try it. Yes. How come your English? You're very good. You learn English here?
I was in California 2 years.
Oh, nice. Okay, makes
Or
sense.
study abroad.
Very nice. Very nice. Israel. Where in California did you live?
Where?
Where?
Do you know?
Yes.
Right?
Where?
Close to San Diego.
San Diego?
Like beach.
Okay. Orange County.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Kara?
Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yotam.
Yotam. How long are you in Japan?
So far I've been here for 4 days. 4 or 5 days, yeah.
Pull back all the way.
Okay.
Pull back.
Okay.
Then been here.
Okay, good. Oh, it came here. So if it comes here, it means I have another one? No? Alright, last one. Last one. Let's try this. Oh wow, we touched it, but alright, no luck for me. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. What is that?
It's not tastes like takoyaki.
Okay. What about the other game? I saw you have another game.
It's a star game and then downstairs an archery game.
Okay, maybe I'll try it. Can you come with me? Yeah, it's okay. Arigato. I know like 10 words in Japanese, so it's pretty bad, yeah.
What is your first language?
What?
What is your first language?
What's my first what language? Hebrew. Hebrew.
It's not English, right?
It's what?
It's not English, right?
No, it's not English. It's Hebrew.
Hebrew.
Yeah, different. Yeah, different language.
I know.
Yeah, it's different letters than English. It's like Japanese, like special, you know? Yeah.
We have three of languages.
Yeah, I saw it on Duolingo. They have like 3 different, because I started Duolingo, so yeah. 1,500?
6 star with souvenir.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, let's try it.
Oh! You got it!
That was fun. Thank you.
This for you.
So what do I take?
Souvenir.
Souvenir for me.
Yep.
Do you have any more recommendation here for if I want to try Osaka food?
Mitarashi.
Misarashi?
Mitarashi dango.
Misarashi dango. Okay, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Okay. Let's try this misarashi. Looks good. Wow, this is fun here. I like it. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Konnichiwa. Thank you. What's the name of this? Okay, it's sweet. Okay, I try one, please. Yes, thank you. Arigato. What's inside? It's a sweet soy with dumpling. Okay. Arigato. Thank you. Very nice. Sit down and try this thing. Interesting. It's like soy, like super sweet soy. I never had something like that. Basically like dough with soy, super soft. It's pretty good. The annoying thing in Japan so far for me, the only thing is that they don't have trash. So you have to eat something and then you have to keep it or ask for someone. Yep, trash. Arigato. Segoi. Arigato.
Oh, thank
Do
you.
you have small piece? Or you have to have big?
80 gram
I see.
steak or 80 gram beef sushi menu. Beef sushi.
I just want to try. It's Kobe beef?
Yes, all Kobe beef.
Arigato. Arigato. Very nice. Kobe beef.
Yes,
Segoi.
ありがとうございます。
Arigato.
Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel?
You? Japan?
Yes,
Osaka.
yes.
Osaka.
Aichi.
Nagoya.
Toyota City.
Toyota car.
Yes, yes.
Very nice. Segoi.
Yeah, I'm from Sesame Street.
Where?
Sesame Street.
Ah, Sesame Street. Original Sesame. Very nice. Wow.
Kobe beef is very sweet.
Very sweet?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm excited.
3, 2, 1. 美味しくなれ美味しくなれもえもえぎゅー
Fire!
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's try this amazing thing. It's supposed to be like the best beef in the world. Okay, check it out. Put some wasabi. Just gonna hit it with my hands. Wow. Wow, this thing is amazing. It melts in your mouth. It's so tender. Very good. Sugoi. Yes, very good. Arigato. How do you say sayonara? No. Sayonara. I love this place. You just walk around and you get like those small stands here, as you can see, of food. And you just pick something, you try it, you move to the next one. What is this? Fruits with sugar?
No sugar?
No sugar? Yes, sugar.
Okay.
No, no. Yes, sugar. Yes, sugar. Yes, sugar. This?
300, 200.
I just try this.
Okay.
Thank you. 200. What's the name in Japan? What's
Tangholo.
Tangholo. Thank you. Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, not sure. I think it just looks like caramel and fruit. So this thing is nice. Yeah, just a bunch of sugar basically. Really hard caramel and some fruits. Alright, we just made it to the Ozenji Yokocho. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Still a little hungry. Wanna grab something to eat. Oh, it smells. It has a good smell here. It smells like meat. Okay, go. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
All right, here we go.
What's up, my bro?
How are you? Segoi, Segoi?
Yeah.
Segoi.
What about you?
Ooh, okay. I need beef. What do you recommend?
Japan.
Japan, Sony,
Yes.
the best. Why?
They're delicious.
Very good? Delicious. Arigato. Okay, I take one like this.
Yes. Okay.
And I also want to try this, please.
Okay.
Please. Do you have sake to try?
sake,
A little sake.
Okay.
You're from China, is it?
Yes, I'm from China.
Where? What city?
Dandong.
Dendong.
Yeah.
Dry or sweet? I try sweet, but a little bit. I don't want a lot. Just a little. Why? That's a lot of sake. Arigato.
Yeah.
Okay, sake. Kampai?
Oh yes, kanpai.
Kampai. Okay, sake time. Very good. Very nice. Making some friends here. New friends. From China and Japan? Japan, China. Very good. Wow, look at that. What's the name? Teppanyaki? This? Sumimiyaki. Very nice. Thank you. Sumimiyaki. Okay. Wow. Very tender, very good. Very nice. A little spicy. Very good. Yes, Segoi. Very good. Wow. This is Wagyu? What kind of meat? Wagyu, yeah. Ooh, and this is? How do you call it?
Hitsumabushi. Wagyu.
Itsumabushi.
Hitsumabushi or Wagyu.
Sumabushi Wagyu. Wow, very nice. There's egg yolk here, rice, and Wagyu too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, mix. Ooh. Wow. Check it out, this looks amazing. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, Japanese food is like my favorite food in the world. Everything is so delicate, it's crazy. Look at that. Wow, all the flavors with the soy and the egg yolk and the Wagyu meat, it's amazing.
I'm sure, yeah. Nice to meet you. Hello.
Nice. I see. So you're supposed to drink it like a soup.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. Very good. Oh, good. Very nice.
See you.
Sayonara?
Oh, sayonara.
Sayonara.
Yeah.
Sayonara. Sayonara. Wow. That was fun.